The XCellaris Pro Twist is FDA cleared Class 2 medical device. Cleared this device for wrinkles and for acne scars, 2-in-1 microneedling device, collagen induction therapy. It's made in Germany, blocking the nerve. So you're not actually feeling the needles in the skin, a 90-degree angle into the skin at all times. So if we talk about nano needling and microneedling, what is the difference? Nano needling is anything from 0.1 millimeters up to 0.5 millimeters. This isn't going to produce collagen. What this is going to do is infuse the skin with the lovely cosmetic products that you apply after. And it's also great for skin tone texture and will also target the melanocytes and the keratin sites to help reduce pigmentation and sun damage. You can select on the device, you have 0, 0.25 and 0.5. This would be your maximum for nano needling. You can also scroll in between. So if you want to use 0.1, you can choose between the 0 and the 0.25, and then you know you're needling at 0.1. Due to the German engineering and design, the device is precise in putting that needle depth into the skin. If you want to do deeper needling, this would be considered as 0.5 or deeper, which will create collagen induction therapy. So of course, if you want to have a product that can perform nano needling and microneedling, this really is a 2-in-1 microneedling device that can be used for both. So you have that option to either do your nano needling or nano channeling, as well as your microneedling treatments for deeper indications. The XCellaris Pro Twist is FDA cleared Class 2 medical device. But what does this mean for you as an esthetician? As an esthetician, you can use this device for microneedling and nano needling. However, as it does have medical class 2, it can also be used in medical facilities by doctors and nurses. It doesn't mean because it's a medical class 2 that it cannot be used by estheticians, and as long as it's within your scope of practice, you can absolutely use this device in your clinic or in your Medi-Spa. The FDA has cleared this device for wrinkles and for acne scars, so we do have the proof to say that it is working. So from your point of view, it's safe, it's made in Germany, it's high quality, and most importantly, you're giving your patients a safe microneedling treatment that has been FDA cleared. So the XCellaris Pro microneedling device is ergonomically shaped so that you hold it between your thumb and your forefinger. And what this is doing is it's forcing you to go in at a 90-degree angle into the skin at all times. With other microneedling devices, they look more like a pen, and so therefore you would hold it like a pen. And what can happen is you can go in at 45, maybe a 60-degree angle, and therefore you're not causing a clean trauma to the skin, and this is what's causing your micro tearing and scratching. In addition, we have high vibration in the handpiece itself, so the patient is feeling nice vibration on the skin, which makes it feel relaxing, but also this is blocking the nerve, so you're not actually feeling the needles in the skin, you're feeling the vibration over the needles. So when we think about vibration, the vibration is sending vibration onto the skin so that you're not feeling the needles, and actually this is blocking the nerve. An example, if you were to have injectable treatments, often the doctor or the nurse that's performing injectables will use a vibrating handheld piece onto the area as they go to do the injection, and this is to block the nerve so that you're not actually feeling the injection itself.